This thing is a beast. So I have a truck, which is really cool that I was gifted this thing to try out, and so far I'm absolutely loving it. So this is a 5-in-1 trailer hitch. So if you have a hitch on your truck, which I do, I have a Toyota Tacoma, and it has a 2-inch receiver. This goes into the 2-inch receiver, and now you have 3 different options for ball sizes on one trailer hitch. If you need a 2 5/16 ball, or if you need a 2-inch ball, or if you need a 1 7/8 ball, no problem. All you have to do is put this in, swivel it around to which ball you're going to need. Don't forget to put the pin in, and you're good to go towing that thing. But it also comes with 2 other features. It comes with this 3/4 shackle that can be unscrewed and taken off with these really cool rubber anti-slip grooves in here to keep the ropes or straps from slipping around. And then it also has a locking hook, so you can put your thing into the hook and it will lock inside there and it won't pull back out, which gives you a couple of different options for towing, which is really cool. So for me, I don't want to carry around 3 different balls and a tow hitch when you can do it all in one. So this is what I use for my truck. I am definitely enjoying having it, and I would definitely recommend it.